Hello, I'm Karen. Welcome to this presentation on name changes in Washington State with a focus on procedures in King County. There are many reasons people change their names. One of the most common is a change of marital status. Maybe you want to take on the last name of your partner. Maybe you want to lose it or make a combined name. Does anyone recognize this guy on the left? He's Demi Moore's least famous husband, but the one who deserves a little more credit because she started out life as Demi Gines, married and divorced musician Freddie Moore, the guy in the photo, kept his name, then married and divorced Bruce Willis, and finally, at least for now, married and divorced Ashton Kutcher. Other common reasons include identity mismatch. You just never felt like Ellen. Gender expression, family identity, such as taking on your mother's maiden last name, minor emancipation, wanting more anonymity from a stalker or harassment, and seeking to escape name-based prejudice. There are signs in cafes and bars that say no Karens allowed. Baby Center in the UK has posted that the last Karen may have already been born. Due to name bullying, multiple support groups have cropped up for people with this name, and it's become the subject of numerous name petitions in recent years. So what is the legal process? It's pretty straightforward as far as processes go. First, fill out a simple petition. You'll find the forms on the internet. File it with the court, online, in person, or by mail. You'll provide the filing fee to start the case. You'll receive notice of the hearing date and time. At the hearing, you'll need acceptable forms of payment and your ID. You'll also need to purchase sufficient number of certified copies to pay for the recording of the name change. Here are some common questions that I hear. Do I need a good reason to change my name? You do need to state some reason, however brief. You also need to state that your name change isn't for illegal or fraudulent purposes, such as evading your creditors. You can choose between Superior Court or District Court in Washington State. Superior Court is where you'll commonly see name changes in conjunction with some other action, such as a name change due to adoption, divorce, anti-harassment, or gender changes. One of the benefits of a name change in Superior Court is that there is automatic sealing of the name change for certain types. District Court is your other option. This is where you'll see traffic infractions, small claims court, and it also handles name changes. This is much more common when you only have a name change action. It's a simpler, smaller system. There are also lots of locations to choose from that may be closer to your work or your home. Do you need a lawyer to change your name? If you're doing a name change in district court, it's fairly simple. A lawyer might be helpful in e-filing it for you and giving you some direction and tips about which courthouse to pick and what happens procedurally. You can also get this information by going to the physical courthouse and asking the clerk. In Superior Court, if the action is part of a combination, then it could be very helpful to have an attorney assist you if you have one available to you. After the hearing, your real work begins. You will need to contact all the agencies involved to update your records and documents, including driver's license, social security card, passport, birth certificate, and so on. Thank you for watching this short presentation of name changes in Washington State. I hope this helped you understand the process a little more. As per usual, consult with an attorney in your jurisdiction for advice specific to your situation. Signing off is Karen for now.